Hello, welcome to Introduction to Psychology here in the summer of 2021. My name is Trent Toulouse. I will be your guide through the course over the next 12 weeks as we take sort of a broad survey of the field of psychology. This course is definitely kind of a breadth of topics. We will cover many different aspects of the field, but I do hope we'll have a chance to dive into some interesting areas and give you an opportunity to see what the field is all about. This class is all online, as are most of the classes still here at CNM, though we will be opening up more in the fall with almost 40% of our classes coming back to face-to-face. But for now, we're mostly instructing online. I know a lot of you may prefer the online modality, and some of you may be here because you're forced to be here and you really don't like online learning. My experience has been predominantly teaching face-to-face. I'm fairly new at trying to master this online realm, and I recognize that a lot of you are at various places in your mastery and your ability to take the online class. So I think sort of the word for the term is going to be flexibility. I will be trying to extend to you all the flexibility I possibly can in helping you complete your journey. And I'm hoping you guys can give me some flexibility as well as we navigate any pitfalls that arise. So I also want to welcome you to the class. We're going to hop on over to the Brightspace website where this class will be taking place. And I'm going to point out a few things that you need to be taking a look at right away. And then we're just going to kind of explore what our weekly modules look like, what to expect in navigating this course, and what your experience is going to be like, and what you'll need to be completing. And that will complete this video. So I will meet you over on the website. All right, we are now on the homepage for our course. This is going to look a little bit different than what you will see because I'm in the instructor mode, so I can show you everything, but it'll be pretty similar. So the first thing to draw your attention to over here is my little profile. The main thing is my contact information. My email address is always right here. My office hours on Monday, Wednesday, 12 to 3 p.m. You can always schedule additional times. You just need to email me. We'll set something up. But these are times I'm available to schedule anything you would like to do. So the best place to always start anytime you're doing an online course here at CNM is to come up here to coursework, select content. You're going to go over here to overview and syllabus, and this is where we're going to want to begin. You're going to want to take a very careful and close look at everything in this syllabus. This is your guide to the course. It's going to tell you about what we're doing, what you have to do to get a good grade, all the assignments you're going to be doing, and a map of the schedule and due dates for everything in the course. All right, so your first step is to take a very careful look at this, and then you're going to head over to the Module 1. The Module 1 is the only thing you will see open and available when you start the class, but once you complete Module 1, a second module will open for this week. This is the only week in which you're going to be having 2 full modules to complete. You will go ahead and take a syllabus quiz, which all the answers are available from the syllabus. There's a handful of videos that are a real broad sort of look at psychology and some of the concepts that link this course as a whole. I do want you to read an article about careers in psychology, and then you're going to have your Module 1 discussion, which is just your class introductions. I'm just looking for, your name, if you have a major here at CNM, and what you hope to learn in this class. What is it you want to take away from this class? Ideally, something more than I have to take this class, for my degree. But why are you here? Once you have gotten 100% on the syllabus quiz and posted your thread, Module 2 will open up. And this is the basic breakdown of what all of our modules are going to look like. So you're going to have a brief overview of what we're going to cover. You're going to have your learning outcomes. You're going to want to pay careful attention to the learning outcomes because these are the things that I want you to be able to do at the end of the module. And these are the things that I'm going to be testing you on. So pay close attention to these. These are what the exams are going to be based on. These are what the goal of the course is. So you should be looking at these before you start anything and focusing on these principles throughout all of the material. You'll always find a list of everything you need to accomplish for that week. For example, for this first week, you're going to be reading the first half of Chapter 1. There's some lecture videos to review, and then you'll be posting in the second module discussion on the scientific method. Once we get into Module 3, we're also introducing homework assignments, which are quizzes that you can take continuously over and over again that help you sort of zero on to see, make sure that you're following the material. If you're struggling with these homeworks, that's a big hint that you should be going back and carefully reviewing the material, reading the textbook, watching the videos, and asking me any questions you might have. At any time, you can reach out to me and, in fact, everyone in the class by going to the discussions and posting under this sort of ask Trent and each other questions. I will try to come by and answer these as I see them, but I would encourage you to review it as well. And if you're able to answer one of your fellow students' questions, please, by all means do so. Hopefully that gives you an idea of how to navigate the course. If you have any questions or any issues that arise, please reach out to me as soon as you can and we will get them resolved. Other than that, I'm looking forward to working with you, and I will see you on the course.